to Yummy with Mommy. Today we'll be showing you how to make Swahili style Barazi. So we start with a tablespoon of oil, followed by half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a full teaspoon of green chilies, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Mix it all up with the stove on high heat. Next we will be adding in pigeon peas, dry pigeon peas, and we'll put that along with coconut milk, half a can of coconut milk. So we'll be adding in the pigeon peas along with the coconut milk, and we're adding half a can of coconut milk, followed by a quarter cup of coconut powder. So this is what it looks like. We've been cooking this for, as I said, around 15 minutes, 16 minutes. And you can see there's no water. It's kind of a thick, curry-like almost consistency. We're squeezing in some lime, some lemon. And we'll keep stirring and cook this for a few more minutes. And then it will be ready to serve. So this is what the final recipe looks like after it's been cooked, and this goes well, it pairs well with mamri, which we showed in an earlier video. If you haven't watched that video, make sure you watch it, and we hope you enjoyed watching this video. Try this recipe out and let us know how it goes by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.